ahead and where we are on the agenda. For item number 3, that's the public hearing for the conditional use authorization for the cannabis business. Is the applicant present? So we just want to make you aware that we do have a quorum, but the rules say that all 3 would have to vote in favor of your petition in order to proceed. But because there is not a full board here, you do have the opportunity to postpone this and come back when the full board is here. That's up to you. If you choose to proceed today, you would waive the opportunity to postpone this and come back before a full board. You can think about that because there's something else on the agenda, which is the approval of the minutes. So why don't we address that? And then we can move on to item 2, which is the actual public hearing. Okay.
Did everybody get a chance to go over the minutes? Do we have a copy of that?
If there's no copy of the minutes in your agenda, then we will proceed to item 2.
I don't believe that there was one in the agenda.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm just reading from my agenda. So if there's,
Do I ask for a vote to postpone approval?
you're gonna, so move to table the minutes,
Okay.
okay, and then you can move on to item 3.
Do they need to be voted on or
If somebody could just make a motion to table the minutes.
I make a motion to table the minutes from the last meeting.
I'll second.
Thank you. Okay, so.
So you're taking up item number 3 on the agenda, which is the public hearing.
So do I just let them, people talk, what if they decide not to?
Well, you need to note that that's where we are in the agenda. We're here for the public hearing, announce to everybody.
Okay, Goody, so we're moving to the public hearing part of tonight's meeting for the conditional use authorization of the cannabis business dispensary on properties located southbound Route 13 of Pocomoke City in the B2 Business District at 1621 Ocean Highway District 1. Account identifier 009796, tax map 0092, grid 0002, parcel 0199, and Ocean Highway District 01, account identifier 010921. Tax map 0092, grid 0002, parcel 0200. If anybody would like to be heard, we just ask that you state your name and address.
Sure. I guess just a quick question. My clients traveled quite a bit for this, not knowing that obviously there was going to be a short bench up there. If we get a three-person vote, obviously we're good. If we don't, do we have a chance to come back, or is that?
No, that's kind of what we're warning you about now, is that if you don't get the vote that you want, and you choose to proceed now, you're waiving the opportunity to come back. There's a year time frame, so that's why we're letting you know that if
1 year?
it's a 1 year. So if you'd rather proceed in front of a full board, now's your opportunity to make that decision.
Yeah, we'll wait for the full board.
Okay, so I guess so this is going to be postponed to a later date, and
Okay?
Yeah.
All in favor?
there needs to be a motion to adjourn.
I have a question before we adjourn. So do we know when the next one's gonna be? Because
It's got to be advertised and everything.
this one was kind of like last minute, and I want to be able to speak, but if
There'll be an advertisement that goes out. It's got to be coordinated among the applicant, the city, but all that has to be redone.